like an ocean.
So this is how it looks like now after the bridge has collapsed. So as you can see, we are recording. I'm recording this.
It looks like an ocean wave. Do you know ocean has those waves?
Yeah.
It looks like the ocean.
Here is my reporter. Nasho, what are you trying to explain?
Someone decided to swim. It just got removed right there.
Okay. As I was reporting, this is the way it looks like now. Here's finally the bridge. And someone has closed this river all the way up to that side. Yeah? This is the Lundazi. What's this? Lundazi Pamba Bridge.